what up YouTube? Penny LS1 back with another one. So I went ahead and put the spacer bracket on for the alternator side power steering pump. Now you can see the pulleys, they line up with the crank perfect now. So I got good belt alignment. But if you look at the power steering pulley right here, look at that. This is the low pressure side coming off the gearbox. This is the high pressure. I got no room to get a fitting in there. Yep. So what I did, I got a 4.5 inch pulley. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off, put this one on there, and you'll see I should have plenty of room once I stick that one on there. So I've already got my AN fittings down here. If you'll take a look at this, I've got my -6 to 16 millimeter on there for the low pressure, and then I've got a -6 to 18 millimeter for the high pressure. So let me go ahead and pull off the, I'm gonna go ahead and take the pump off the bracket. I got the pulley removal tool, so I'll go ahead and get that pressed off. We'll press a new one on. Oh, got that pulley off. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how big this one is compared to the one I'm about to put on here. That's a big difference. That one's about 6.5 inches. That one's 4.5. Alright, so we got the new pulley on there. Look at that, we got plenty of room now. So let me put that AN fitting on there and see if that 90 degrees will fit. Give me just a second. Fix my light. Hold on. Oh yeah, we got action, baby. Yeah, perfect. So this is the pressure side. It needs to go right here. It needs to go right there where this little orange thing is. I'm gonna take the pump back off so I can replace that with this AN fitting. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take the pump back off the bracket. But we got plenty of room now, so I'm good to go, baby. Let me I'm gonna test fit this belt. I know I'm gonna need another belt because this pulley is way smaller. But let me test fit it and see how. Y'all, I didn't even have to get a belt. Look at this. The same belt fits. It actually fits better. The other pulley, the belt was actually too short. So it fits really good. It's a 4.5 inch pulley. And that some bitch is on there. Lined up. Everything. Got plenty of space around my lines. Yeah, buddy. It's on and popping. Let me go on and take that pump back off and get this Earls fitting on there. And we good. Alright, YouTube. We got it all finished. Look at that. Got the belt on. Got plenty of room. Got my 90-degree AN for my power steering lines. Got plenty of clearance. Got this fitting. Can't see that. Hold on. That fitting right there. Still can't see it. Hold up. That's a bad one. I can't get it. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. So what I did, I took this pulley off right here because it's too big. Now this is what actually came with the Holley kit. Now, I don't know, I've never seen anybody have an issue with this pulley, but I did because I didn't have enough room to run my power steering lines with that pulley. So this is a 4.5 inch pulley. 4.5 inch diameter, 1200 series. Works fine. So for my AN fittings, that's the part number for that one. This was the 18 millimeter -6. That's for the pressure side. For the return line, This one was 16 millimeter -6. Now these are metric O-ring fittings. That's what I put into the steering box. Return line 16 mil -6, pressure line 18 mil -6, and this is a 90-degree -6 to the -6 hose end. So now all I need to do, and I'm glad I didn't buy the hose because I was going to get the 6-foot hose, and I'm thinking I was going to use 3 feet each. But look at this. This return right here. Dang, I need some light. Hold on. This return only goes to this little nipple right here. That's only about, I'll measure, but shit, maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 inches, maybe. And then for the pressure side, it's gonna go just right here. So that's probably, man, that's probably only 6 inches. So I probably only need, instead of 3 feet, I mean 6 feet, I probably only get 3 feet just to be safe. Then I can cut it to length once I get it to the house. Or I'll get a tape measure and measure it for sure. But look at that pulley, man. Man, that's nice. Look how small it is. Came out real nice. Look at that. Got the belt on there. Everything's lined up. Alright, YouTube, that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and take this rental tool back to O'Reilly's and get my money back. And what I need to do now, I've got my mass airflow sensor. I had a couple of these 4-inch couplers, collar. This part goes to the arrow flows that way. So this goes to the throttle body. This coupler is too big for both the throttle body and this. So I'm gonna go get this is a 4-inch. I'm gonna get a 3.5 inch for the throttle body side, and I guess down to a 3-inch for this side. I'm going to get that on. But that's gonna do it for this video, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, Penny LS1, we out.